So I really enjoyed putting this little garden together. And let me talk a little bit about what I did here. Some of the houses are from 2018 that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I embellished them a little bit. I added some glitter on the roof. I added some little flowers, some little ladybugs, glued those on just to give them a little extra something. I also added golf tees to each of the little fairies and the little items, just so that they stay standing up and they don't get blown over. One tip is, if you're looking for fairy garden items at the Dollar Tree, make sure to go there around the end of February or the month of March. That is when they put out their fairy garden items. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.